Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green onions from seeds. First, select a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, prepare your soil. A well-draining sandy loam mix is ideal for optimal growth. Finally, ensure you have high-quality green onion seeds to give your plants the best possible start. These initial steps are crucial for a successful harvest. Now, let's get those seeds into the ground. Create shallow rows and plant your green onion seeds about 1/4 inch deep. Make sure to space your rows approximately 4 to 6 inches apart to allow for proper growth. After placing the seeds, lightly cover them with soil and give them a gentle watering. This helps settle the seeds and begins the germination process. Once your green onion seedlings emerge, consistent care is key. Keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to rot. When your seedlings reach about 2 inches in height, thin them out so they are spaced 1 inch apart. Additionally, consider fertilizing every 3 to 4 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer to encourage robust growth. Finally, the exciting part, harvesting your delicious green onions. You can begin harvesting when the stalks are approximately 6 to 8 inches tall. To ensure continuous regrowth, cut the stalks about 1 inch above the soil line. With proper care, you can enjoy fresh green onions from your garden in about 60 to 70 days from planting. Happy harvesting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.